We are moving. We are moving. So guys, we are moving. We are moving. This is going to be the first of our moving vlogs. You guys are going to see a lot. When I mean a lot of content coming out from this moving vlog, because I begin moving packing my things today. I'm moving into a new apartment. I have lived in my current apartment. If you guys don't know, I moved into this apartment like 10 months ago. And my lease is up. My lease has been up for like a few days now. But my school, I live on college housing, so they were gracious enough to give me till like 6 more days for me to like figure out myself. Unfortunately, I haven't gotten an apartment yet. So guys, before this vlog, I'm sure you guys have watched a lot of my apartment hunting videos, but I haven't gotten an apartment. Long story, I'm going to give you guys that in a whole new video, but I'm just trying to pack today. So the goal is to pack, and I'm moving my stuff into a storage unit because I do not have an apartment I'm moving to. So I'm basically just going to be living in different people's places until I get my apartment. So I'm basically going to pack up all my stuff. I'm going to show you guys my whole area now. I'm going to be packing it up, hopefully finish packing it by today, tomorrow, because it's currently like 4 already basically. So this packing is going to be like a slash of today and tomorrow, then moving it all my stuffs into a storage unit while I look for an apartment. So let me just show you guys the things I've gotten. So guys, I just got these 2 books. I just came back from Home Depot. I went to get these 2 moving boxes. I got these 2 large boxes, and then I already had all this. This is my bedroom, as you guys can see. My table, my closet is like where much of the stuff is. Then my bathroom, I already started packing some of the things in my bathroom just to start. So I have some things there. All my winter clothes, I have to pack them in a separate place. Then my kitchen. So this is like my kitchen. I have like stuffs like everywhere, like cabinets. I have like things everywhere, like under the cabinets, like literally. I still have a lot of things like I put in the dishwasher. So yeah, that is it. And I think I've cleared out my stuff that in this part. Like this is like an extra storage space, so I'll have to go through it. But I think most of the other stuff that I here, like my roommate stuff's not mine. I'm going to be packing my clothes with, I don't even know what I'm going to do, but you guys are going to see once we start. So we have this, and yeah. So guys, it's another day. We're still moving, we're still packing. So I just want to show you guys the update of what I have done yesterday. I actually cleared out my bathroom. This is my bathroom currently. Like everything in my bathroom is cleaned out. Like all my shelves are like empty. Like everything has been emptied out. I just have a few more things that I'll be using for the few more days that I'm here. But like everything, my cabinets are empty. Everything basically about this is empty. Also, guys, the process of moving is quite serious. I cleared out this part. I don't know if you guys know what was in this part. It was like my jewelry, my perfumes and whatnot. So I just kept a few jewelries. Guys, can you see this jewelry I got from Shein? It just turned black. I don't know why. So I'm just like, oh, this is what happens when you get cheap jewelry from Shein. But I'm also looking for like my second earring of this one. I already cleared this. I just need to like clean it up and like pack it. I cleared all my makeup. You guys know I had like makeup here and some like pad down here, so I just left some makeup that I'll still be using. But yeah, that is just what I have done so far. Let me show you my living room. I don't know if I told you guys yesterday, but I went, oops, hello, what are we doing? So yesterday I went to Home Depot and I got those 2 moving boxes there, the big ones there, one, 2. But guys, I didn't get tape. So yeah, I don't know why I did that. I saw tape right there, but the tape cost like $6. So I was just like, why would I buy one tape for $6? Even the boxes, I bought them for like $2. So it's like tape for $6. I wanted to get it, but like my friend was like, oh no, don't get it, it should be cheaper in like Walmart or like in Walgreens, right? Then she went to Walmart because I was really tired because I had to go to a party yesterday. So I told her, okay, that she should help me to get the tape from Walmart, and then they didn't have tape at the Walmart that she went to, so I don't have tape. I'm supposed to have started packing with those boxes, but I can't. So no, I'm just waiting for one of my friends who's coming by like 3 p.m. help me get tape, because I need tape to start moving stuff. But this is what I've done so far. Like, I have, these are all my bathroom stuffs. You guys are enjoying this vlog. This vlog is not boring. This is my bathroom stuff. I had to bring out some things I had to use again yesterday, but this is all my makeup. I got this like bubble wrap stuff for them, so I just packed this. I'm just going to label this fragile. So this is like fragile. I just have this. It looks like this. And these are just the 2 boxes I've packed. My kitchen is still looking like still the way it was yesterday. I haven't done much, but hopefully once I get the tape, like I should be like quick. I'm trying to pack my my projector, because like there's no need for it. I need to pack that now. But yeah, those are just the stuffs I need to start doing, because I need to be out of here by Wednesday, and I want to move into the storage locker by tomorrow, because today's Sunday. I want to move. I haven't even got to my storage space. Like, my moving is quite like scattered around, but yeah, I would figure it out. So today, tomorrow, yeah.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me?
So guys, update on the packing process, on our moving process basically. So I'm using trash bags to pack my clothes. So I've packed like my jackets, like all my winter. These are all my winter jackets too. So all my jackets, like my long coats and everything, I packed them. All these are like my basically all winter jackets. So now I just have this. This is really like part of my winter clothes to wear, the jackets, long ones. So this is what we have now. Oh, it's loud. So I just have my shoes. That would be like the last thing I'll pack. Then I'm just gonna pack all this in trash bags. Also, my trousers the same. This I'm gonna pack in like my moving boxes. The shoes too, with this one. Then I'm gonna pack my clothes that I'm going to be wearing for like the 1 month. Well, I'm waiting for my apartment. Before I move in, will be in those boxes. Those are like 3 boxes. So yeah, this is I'm proud of myself that I actually got this done. So this is so far what has been done. I'm just update you. You guys knew earlier. Bathroom empty. Hi, I'm just going to take that down like tomorrow, or basically the day I leave. So I'll just quickly like wash it in the washer, and then I'll just put it on my stuff. So everything is cleaned. Hi, my clothes parked. My ring lights will be part of the last things in the park. My bed, this chair is just going to move like this. I still have to do laundry. That's why I haven't packed my clothes because I need to do laundry and know what is going to go, like what is going to be back on the hanger before I pack. I don't know if I need something to like cover this mirror, like moving clothes, or if I'm going to try and be careful while I'm moving it to like the storage space. Then basically I have all this with that side table. I have things here that I haven't like taken care of, but so far we have packed this. We have packed 1, 2, 3. Oh wow, I think I've done so much, but 1, 2, 3 basically. My projector, my yoga mat, and yeah. Guys, these are all clothes I need to sell on Poshmark and sorry, I forgot the other name of that other one, but you guys can see it. Like, I have this nice, my leather jacket, quite nice, almost new. Like, it's quite small for me, that's why, like, I love it. It is new. Bought it, wore it once, it was too tight. I couldn't return it because I waited till very last minute to wear it, so I have to sell that. And I have, this is something that's going to be so nice for this summer period. I'm going to try and put all this on my Poshmark, so you guys should like put an eye out. But because I grew, this isn't my size no more. So I have jeans, I have bags, I have shoes. These are all things that are still going to be sold on Poshmark too. So these are just like different things that I'm going to have to move with, so I can like sell them quickly before I move into my new place. So yeah, because I'm gonna miss my view so much. Let me see, it's so sunny outside and it's so cute. Why did I have to leave at this point? But I have to, so they don't keep me out. So I have my candles. I just packed all my like candles, and I didn't even know I had this much candles. New candles, like these are all new candles. I have 4 iced dragon fruit tea candles. You guys know that's my favorite kind of candle from Bath and Body Works. So I have like, okay, no, I have 3 of it. Then I have this raspberry whipped vanilla, all new. But these are the ones that I've been currently burning here. So I need to wash all my makeup brushes. This is just a PR package that I got recently, and I have face mask. I need to empty that out. And that reminds me, maybe I should just empty it out now, so I don't keep saying I have to empty it out, and then like I forget what is in here that could go into somewhere else. So my camera, this is all like tech stuff, my lenses, my guys, will you believe they gave me this when I came into this place like 10 minutes ago? This was how I was like, oh god, I know how to keep stuff. This was the bag. I don't know if you guys can remember when, if you've been watching my vlog, when I came into the apartment, they gave me this bag with like my keys and stuff. This was the need. Like, guys, can you see? With the Cheetos, University of Maryland, housing office. I'm taking this with me. I'm sorry, I'm not leaving it behind. Like these, I don't eat things like this, so I just left. I don't even know why I left it there. I should just like giving it to someone. Basically, it has been here for 10 months. So the grocery list, UMB. I'm just going down memory lane. Like, I can't believe it has been this. I can't really believe that it has been like 10 months since I lived in this apartment, and like I'm done. I am leaving. It's quite crazy. When I started moving my things, I was like, really? So these are the curtains I bought from my room, but I never got the rod. So I was just like, and the blinds did the job that I needed to do. So I was like, wait, I don't even need to stress myself. So I can't remember what kind of curtains they are. Will this work in my new apartment? I don't know. Oh, they're white. And they're quite short, like blackout curtains. We're going to find a use for them. I will try and have curtains in my new place, like blackout curtains, because if I have blackout curtains, I would not get up from my bed. So yeah, these are my prayer mat and my hijabs. Oh, I cannot believe this is happening. And that is it. That is for this place. Oh guys, I haven't had breakfast and it's already like 12. Like like 12:01 basically, so I have to let me just get like brunch to eat. I don't know if I should just go down. I just cook something. I really don't want to like go out, because if I go out, that is like wasting time. I'm going to try and just make something quickly. We're going to eat that and we're going to continue. That's the update on our moving process. I have started packing my closet. So this is like everything that has been in my drawers, like all my drawers, 1 2 3. Oh, I emptied it, and all the clothes that were like by the side I emptied it. Stuff that I'm taking with me. This is suitcase I'm going to be leaving out for the next few weeks. So I just want to pack like my shoes, and I put this in like trash bags like this, and this one will be going, this one and this other box here will be going into like one of the, these are all the processes that's happening. It's currently like 2:43. I still have like 1 2 3 4 5. I still have like 5 boxes empty, so I still have space to, I feel like all these boxes are going to be enough for all my stuff. So guys, it's currently like 11 p.m. at night. It's still the same day, but can you stop playing? Thank you. So I just want to show you guys the update on my like packing and moving journey. It was literally like 11 p.m. My friend just left. Alice came, she brought the tape that I was telling you guys about. So finally I have packed this. So this is so far what I have packed. I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I'm currently packing up my kitchen now. Just have this. That one is quite like filled up already. This is how my kitchen is looking. I actually made like really nice noodles I'm gonna be having, but like, can you guys see the time? It's 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. and yeah, I'm still like, I still have all this. I've already cleared down here. I cleared in here. So I just have like my stuff that in the washer. I still have like my stuff that under here and like in here. Or like, I'm making good progress. So yeah, that is it. I'm gonna try and make sure I like pack my kitchen up tonight, because I'm trying to move my stuff tomorrow into like, I'm gonna try and end this vlog today so you guys can continue my vlog tomorrow, because I don't know how long this is gonna be. So yeah, I'm trying to end tonight's vlog, like end this vlog tonight. You guys are going to follow me to like pack more things, but I want to edit today so that tomorrow I can like move my stuff out basically to, I should not mind how like the bags and how my face, can you guys see how my skin has been breaking out? Can you see the stress of moving? Like, I have, my skin has never looked this bad before, bro. Stress.